Hello. My name is Sam. I come from Italy and live in a charming town called Verona. But deep inside, I have a strong ambition. I want to study in London. London is a vast and vibrant city in England, full of remarkable landmarks like the towering Big Ben, the giant London Eye, and the majestic Buckingham Palace. I dream of seeing these places with my own eyes. Apart from sightseeing, I also want to enhance my English skills. I believe London is the perfect place for that. Verona, my hometown, is peaceful, with beautiful historic buildings and warm-hearted people. I have spent my entire life here. Every day, I attend school, play football with my friends, and enjoy reading books or watching films. But my mind constantly drifts to London. I picture myself walking through its lively streets, visiting world-class museums, and studying at a prestigious school. The thought excites me immensely. However, there is one challenge: my parents are concerned about my dream. One evening, as we sit in the living room, I gather the courage to speak. "Mom, Dad, I need to talk to you," I say. They turn to me and ask, "What is it, Sam?" I take a deep breath and express my wish: I want to study in London. I want to go next year. My mother looks astonished. "But Sam, London is very far. It's a huge city, it might be risky," she says. My father nods. "Yes, Sam, we worry about your safety. Verona is familiar and secure. I understand their concerns. London is a great distance from home, and it would be a significant change. But I feel ready. I know it's far, but I will be cautious. I want to learn. I want to explore the world." My parents exchange glances, then remain silent for a moment. Finally, my mother says, "We love you, Sam. We want you to be safe, but we also want you to be happy." My father adds, "We need time to consider this. It's a major decision." I feel optimistic. I know they are worried, but they also care about my happiness. I smile and say, "Thank you, Mom and Dad. I promise to be careful." That night, as I lie in bed, my thoughts are filled with London. I know the journey won't be easy, but I am determined to work hard. I am ready to chase my dream. Chapter 2: Preparing for the Journey. I am thrilled that my parents are considering my dream. It's a huge step, but I am prepared. I want to go to London more than anything. One day, I talked to my best friend, Alex. We have been close for years. We study together and play football every weekend. When I share my dream, his face lights up. "That's incredible, Sam. I want to go too." We discuss all the fantastic things we want to experience in London. Soon, we make a decision: we will travel together and be study partners. The planning begins. First, we need passports, small books that prove our identity and allow us to travel internationally. We visit the office and get them. Excitement builds inside us. Next, we search for flight tickets. After browsing various options online, we find an affordable deal. Using our savings, we book our seats. I feel both nervous and thrilled. It will be my first time flying. We also need a place to live. After days of searching, we finally find a cozy apartment close to our new school. It isn't large, but it's perfect for us. With everything set, we begin packing. Clothes, books, and snacks for the journey, all neatly packed in our suitcases. We are truly ready. Although my parents are still worried, they support me. Be careful, Sam, my mom says. London is enormous. Stay safe. I embrace them tightly. I will, Mom. I'll call you every day. Alex and I can hardly contain our excitement. We constantly talk about our new life, our school, and all the places we plan to visit. The big day is near. Soon, we will embark on our greatest adventure yet. Chapter 3, The Journey Begins. The long-awaited day has arrived. Alex and I are all set. Our families give us warm hugs and send us off with love. Take care, Sam. We love you, my parents say. I love you too. I reply, promising to be careful. The airport is immense and bustling with travelers. Some look excited, while others appear exhausted. We check in our luggage and receive our boarding passes. Then, we wait. The anticipation is overwhelming. Finally, it's time to board. As we step onto the plane, I am amazed, it's enormous inside. Alex and I find our seats. I sit by the window, eager to see the world from above. The engines roar, the plane speeds up, and suddenly, we are airborne. The view is breathtaking. Everything below becomes tiny. We are flying. The journey is long, but we keep ourselves entertained. We chat, read, and watch movies. The flight attendants are kind, offering us meals and drinks. We feel comfortable. After several hours, the plane suddenly shakes. It's turbulence. I grip my seat tightly. Alex looks uneasy, but we remain calm. Fortunately, it stops soon, and we breathe a sigh of relief. We admire the stunning sky outside, soft clouds and endless blue. It's mesmerizing. As the plane starts descending, I catch my first glimpse of London. The city glows with lights, it's vast and spectacular. The landing is smooth, and we finally step off the plane. We have arrived. Our adventure has officially begun, and we are eager to explore this new world. London, here we come.